Dear educators, we're thrilled to invite you to our upcoming online session, Empowering Educators, Unleashing the Potential of Robotics, Coding, and AI in the Classroom. If you're curious about the impact of technology on education and how these innovative tools can transform teaching, this session is for you. Date, 27th April. During this hour-long workshop, you'll explore the practical applications of robotics, coding, and artificial intelligence in the classroom. Learn from experts, gain insights into integrating these technologies into your teaching, and discover new ways to engage your students. Whether you're an experienced educator or just starting your journey with tech-based learning, this session will offer valuable tips, best practices, and inspiration to make the most of these cutting-edge tools. To register, click on the link in the description box. Don't miss out on this opportunity to enhance your teaching skills and connect with a community of like-minded educators. See you there.